Today we are on the Appian Way and we are exploring the Mausoleum of Cecilia Metella, an ancient Roman lady that lived in the 1st century BC, which built her tomb right in here. You see this cylindrical structure? That was her tomb. By the way, this is where you can read her name, Cecilia. Anyways, this mausoleum later on in the Middle Ages became a fortress, and that's why you can see this building in here, a medieval fortress that belonged to one of the popes of Rome, Bonifacio VIII. And when this building was used as a fortress, the mausoleum became the tower of the fortress. Now, it takes a little bit of imagination to understand what the whole thing looked like, but if you go inside this archaeological site, you will get some VR glasses and you will feel like walking inside the full building and see what it looked like. You need to imagine that this fortress not only consisted in this castle, but also in other houses and where people were living, and also in a church. I don't know what you think of this, but it feels a little bit nostalgic to see what's left and thinking all the life that must have happened in here. The more you explore the Appian Way, the more you discover. Don't forget to follow us for more Rome tips.